I finally got myself a gas fire pit. I'll be taking it camping with me, so there's no more campfire smoke in my eyes, in my hair, in my clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna be opening it up and assembling it, and let's see how it goes. Oh man, this thing is actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, all the pieces are out. So now, just to get it assembled. This is by far the easiest assembly of anything ever. The only thing I had to do was put on the screws for the handle. That was it. The hose is attached, and in the box, this is the seat for the tank. Not sure if my 5 pound tank would be fitting in here, but I know for sure the 20 pound will. But yeah, that was it. Just to put on the handle, and it's ready to go. I'll have to test it, see how it works. I'm out here now in the backyard, and I have already filled the stones inside of the fire pit. I'm going to be hooking it up to the 5 pound tank as opposed to a 20 pound tank, because this is the little one that I got that I will be traveling with to use with my stove and other propane appliances. So here we go, and I'm going to screw it on. Based on what the instruction says, I don't need a lighter or anything, and this should be a very long ways away, so I'm going to move the tank away and open up the valve. Okay, I've connected the tank, moved it about 5 feet away, and let's see how it goes.